If you want to reach out farther than simple radio-to-radio range with GMRS, programming a repeater into your Baofeng BF-F8 HP Pro is the way to do it. Today we're programming the WRFT322 repeater on Mount Wilson in Southern California. It's just an example and a sample. You can go through these steps with any GMRS repeater. Start by putting the radio into VFO mode. Hit the orange VM button until the screen shows a frequency instead of a channel number. We'll do that by hitting the VM, and you can see now it's Santiago peak, and now we'll hit VM again, and now it's back to VFO mode. And you can also see right up here it says VFO. Now once you're in VFO, punch in 462.550. That's the repeater's receive frequency. Let's do that together. We'll hit 462.550. Next, press the menu button, which is the home key, and scroll to program channel. Punch in 6 or scroll down to menu 6, TXCTCSS. Open it and select 103.5 and confirm. That's the access tone WRFT322 requires before it will relay your signal. We'll do that now. We'll hit menu, scroll down to program channel, hit the menu. We'll just hit 6 instead of scrolling, TXCTCSS. Now we'll hit menu and scroll down to 103.5. Hit the home or menu button, which is OK, and now it's saved. From there, drop down to menu 12, which controls the transmit offset. Enter 005000 and press OK. That sets a 5.0 megahertz offset, which is what almost all GMRS repeaters use. Now we'll go down to 12. Offset, hit menu. Now we'll type in 005000 and click the home button, or excuse me, now we'll click the menu button, which is OK, and it's saved. After that, move down to menu 13, direction. Change the shift direction to plus, then confirm again. This is what almost all GMRS repeaters use. Now we'll go down to 13, direction, press menu, go to plus, hit the menu home button, which is OK, and it's saved. With the tone, offset, and the shift direction set, the radio now knows how to calculate the correct transmit frequency of 467.550 while still receiving on 462.550. Let's back out now. Now we'll test it real fast. I'm going to hit the PTT button, and you'll see the green light light up here. There you go, we hit the repeater. You can repeat this exact process for any GMRS repeater. Just grab the frequency, the offset, and the tone from Repeater Book or My GMRS app. Enter them the same way and save each one to its own channel. That's all you need to program a GMRS repeater into the Baofeng BF-F8 HP Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you got anything from this free educational video, please like and subscribe to help me grow the channel, and feel free to use the affiliate link in the description. If you want to buy a radio or do any research on radios, Amazon's a great place to do it. Thanks for watching.